Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Students, I am your class teacher, Miss.Rafiya Anjum, and today I am going to teach you English. Yes, today I am going to teach you English. In English, today we will learn a new alphabet, and the alphabet is letter O. Yes. Students, in previous classes we have studied letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Yes, today we will learn a new alphabet, and the alphabet is letter O. Students, the phonic sound of letter O is O. The phonic sound of letter O is O. स्टूडेंट्स आप स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज कैपिटल O, सेकेंड वन इज स्मॉल O. So students, the phonic sound of letter O is O. Now I am going to tell you one story of letter O. So listen carefully. Otto is a baby ostrich. He lives under an oak tree. He likes to eat oranges. One night, Ollie, the owl, comes to meet him and say, Ozzy, the ox, join us too. So my dear students, this is the story of letter O. Students, there are so many words that begin with letter O, like ostrich, oak tree, oranges, owl, ox.